Climate Solidarities is an online youth congress dedicated to strengthening global and ecological border-crossing solidarities. Climate activists, educators, and scientists will offer you 5 events to get productive and creative with people from all over the world. The events will take place on the 15th and 16th of July. They are held in English and directed at teens 14+, young adults, and educators. Join us! Our first event is the Climate Interactive Simulation Game, led by Hans-Dieter Kasperidos from the Helmholtz Center for Environmental Research in Leipzig and Climate Interactive Ambassador. You will play the roles of global stakeholders in a UN emergency meeting, making proposals to influence the emission of greenhouse gases. These will be analyzed instantaneously to learn their impact on our climate. Each decision matters. The second event is a workshop on critical views on the Sustainable Development Goals. Parissa Chakra and Benedikt Seeger, environmental psychologists and climate activists, are going to lead a discussion surrounding Sustainable Development Goals involved in the life cycle of smartphones and reflect on opportunities to use your smartphone in a more sustainable way. However, can permanent economic growth even be sustainable? Georgia Kurata, PhD student at the Leipzig Graduate School of Management and researcher in the Limno+ project, will offer you a presentation and discussion on how to improve the global governance against microplastic pollution. She will introduce her project with a quiz and presentation, after which you will talk about whether and how the international community intends to act against plastic pollution. Your participation and ideas are very welcome. The fourth event will present the project Lit for School in the form of a digital book stand. Sarah Klart is an English student and assistant at the Lit for School project in Leipzig. Themes like climate change and global justice need to be discussed more in school, so we'll discuss how to further implement current affairs and media in the classroom. Last but not least, join us for a travel and research report on an Arctic expedition, Climate Change at the North Pole. Meet Christian Pilz, a researcher at the Leibniz Institute for Tropospheric Research, who has been to the North Pole and experienced the freezing north on the survey vessel Polarstern as part of the Mosaic expedition. He brings current data from a climate change hotspot and would love to share and discuss his experiences with you. We will all join together at the beginning of the conference and provide opportunities to get in touch in between workshops. The outcome of the events will be presented at the Globe 21 Festival and the Leipzig Public Night of Sciences on the 16th of July. Register now and share this event with your friends. We would love to have a truly international group of participants. See you at Climate Solidarities!